Welcome everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. I've got this sign. This is so adorable, and I got it from Craft Outlet. I love the paw and the animal print play. I think it's very cute. So I have some of this gold floral wire that I got from Hobby Lobby around Christmas time, and this sign, I think, is about 12 inches, and it came with the holes already punched in it, the top and bottom. So I just string in some of this floral wire and use it. I try to make sure that the twist is on the back side and it's put on there tightly. So this is my 14-inch from the Dollar Tree, and I'm showing you the brackets. In between those brackets is a section. In the two inner rings, I place one pipe cleaner, and then on the two outer rings, I place two pipe cleaners on there. This is, I'm making a work wreath for myself. And it's very easy, very inexpensive, so I love doing them. I have these two rolls of Windowpane Mesh from Craft Outlet, and I cut them at 30 inches. I really like working with the Windowpane Mesh just because of the texture, the look of it. I just really like it, and it's different than using your regular deco mesh. So it's real nice and easy to use. It's very flexible, and it's really good quality. So with my 30-inch cuts, I'm going to do the cruffle method, which is my favorite method. And I roll one end 3 times, clip it, turn it around, and roll the other end 3 times, and then I walk my fingers up so that the two curl ends meet together. And I'll show you a couple more times just so you can get a good look of it. Sorry about the it's at the very end of the roll, and so it automatically curls up on itself like that. So I just take the next one and place it right into that bottom second pipe cleaner in that section. And I like to work from the two outer rings first, and then I do the inner ring. So I like to complete one section at a time. It kind of helps me, I don't know, maybe it doesn't really help me. Maybe it's just an OCD thing that I do. I don't know. When I do the cruffle method, this is exactly how I do it every time. I work in a section. I do the two bottom pipe cleaners, and then I do the top pipe cleaner. And look how beautiful and full this is. Just with 3 of those mesh cuts already added on there. Beautiful. So here I just also took the last parts of the 2 rolls and cut 10-inch pieces. That way I finished up using both of the rolls, and I just leave it as a curl and add one to each of the pipe cleaners. This helps me make it a little more fuller, and I don't have any waste with my deco mesh. So here I have these 2 adorable wired ribbons, 2.5 inch. They're cut at 14 inches. One is a white ribbon with a dog paw, and the other one is just a leopard print type of ribbon. And I really thought it was so cute and was such a match for the sign. So what I do is I actually dovetailed the ribbon as I cut it off screen, and then I once I got the set together, I folded it in half. Here I am just crisscrossing it a little bit, pinching it in the middle, and then I'm curling those tails. Then I put it in a V shape, and then I will add it right to the pipe cleaner. And with me putting it at a crisscross for a little bit, when I after I unfold them and then I make them into a crisscross and gather the middle of the ribbon tails, it saves me from having to really play with the tails too much, and it shows both ribbons very nicely. So here I am attaching the sign, and I just weed it through some of the deco mesh and ribbon tails, and I secure it tightly, but not too tightly that it sets too far into the mesh. Once I have that on, then I'm going to take and make my bow, and I'm going to have 8-inch tails at the top. And then I'm going to start off with 6-inch loops on both sides, and then I'll gradually get smaller as I add more ribbon. And then at the bottom I will have a 14-inch tail. After removing the bow from the bow maker, I just add a pipe cleaner to it. Now be sure that you keep your thumb at the top and squeeze the top and that you're squeezing the bow together tightly so you can have a really nice tight bow when you put the pipe cleaner on. And then I just go back and I dovetail all of the tails that are 2.5 inch ribbons. That cute little argyle 1.5 inch ribbon, I will just cut it aslant. All my ribbons, deco mesh, sign, everything came from Craft Outlet. Now I just add this beautiful bow onto the wreath. I'll straighten out the tails and do a little bit of fluffing before it is ready for pictures. Now here is this gorgeous wreath. I think it is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. I think this is one of my all-time favorite wreaths that I've made. But with that said, I want to say thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you all have a very blessed week.